This video is sponsored by Wild Police Chase.
Be about 56, I just texted you all the 28 in that vehicle.
I'm going to be on West Republican. He just texted us the 28 on it.
Coming up on the Republican, still southbound. Coming up on the Republican, southbound. 35, I can take you 44 minutes.
62 Little Rock, I'm on the road. I'm on the road right now.
Republican right there before the 25 split, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. I'll be up there. I'm at that facility now.
Hey, if I get behind it, I'll wait till you get with me. We'll do a felony takedown on it.
Okay, that's good.
I'm at Little Rock, Republican, 5.
Still southbound. That's Republican coming into Greenbrier. The 911 that this is not updating.
You say they have passed Republican?
2-4.
Yeah, that's fucking late. Alright, I'm gonna downgrade.
Yeah, I'm
What's the 28?
Adam Lincoln George, 6'5" boy.
Yeah, I cannot.
I'm gonna get off the phone with you.
I'm behind it. Hey, you do that 28 with Adam Lincoln, George 564, right?
Yep, 10-4. I'm behind you.
What's
1024.
We're 1037 with it.
Out of 5, correct.
TVI.
TVI.
Show me your hands! Show me your fucking hands! Show me your fucking hands! Your fucking hands! Get the truck.
What happened?
Vegas, or our hometown of Houston, with a trip to Jill. And 2 tickets to Beyonce's.
6-2 Little Rock 1015. What the fuck was that?
Yeah, baby, that's my truck. That's my truck.
I didn't leave it up there, man. Ignorant. Who the fuck told you to get up?
Oh.
Boy, you thought you was slick, didn't you, ma'am?
Hey, you got someone to pick this up, buddy?
Yeah, I'll get somebody.
Okay.
They told me to do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna find out who you're affiliated with, too, fucking lady.
They told me to do it.
Hey, can you hear
You fucked up.
Hey, 1015.
Yeah.
Did you tell him 1015? Yeah. Let's walk.
Get up, bro.
Can I get my suit?
No. What you can have is the right to remain silent.
Out of 5, out of 63,
1015, including that.
Trooper. Put our trooper in at 1064. Resume normal traffic, 557. One suspect, 1015.
Evening.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share my video and press bell icon to get future updates.